And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $1924.43. Okay, now it is at a strong support, so we can see a bounce back, or if it moves below this particular level, a further fall we can see towards $1923.63. Okay, and if it moves below that level, a further fall we can see. This is the first thing. Second thing, what you have to understand, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and I have already suggested you at a level of 1916 at this particular point that it can go further high, and it has made a high of around 1947. Now if you look at this particular pattern, opposite pattern is formed. Okay, so if the price fall below a level of around 1915, a further fall we can see in the price of gold, or if the price sustain above a level of around $1925, chances of touching 1928 will be there, and then further high. And if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall we have seen and a narrow pattern forming. Okay, and this narrow pattern says that there is a higher chances that we can see, if the price fall below a level of around 1900, a further fall we can see in the price of gold. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, after pandemic, what we have seen, there are two patterns forming. I have to explain this because some of viewers which are new, they have to understand how the price of natural gold has moved. See, after pandemic, what had happened, it was continuously on the upside, but it was creating a pattern. Okay, what it was creating a pattern, this pattern is 2012 to 2020 8-year pattern, and this is a 2-year pattern. Okay, and this is an 8-month pattern. Similarities are same. Okay, now what you can see, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price sustain this level, and yes, it can sustain if we go on a weekly basis chart. Okay, that now there is a doji candle forming, chances are high it can go towards a level of around $1931.26. Okay, and this is the particular trend. Suppose if the price move above that particular level, it will go further high and can go towards a level of around $1937. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, we will see it can cross a level of around $1947, and that is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level, and it will touch a level of around $1952. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of around $1931.26, and if the price move up that level, a further upside we can see towards 1934, and if that level sustain, it will cross a level of around 1937, which is already being tested. So chances will be high it will go towards 1945.46, that is 1946, and then we can see it will cross a level of around 1953. Okay, as soon as the price move above a level of 1953, chances of touching a level of 1961 will be there, and from there we can see it will go further high, and chances of touching a level of around 1971 will be there, that is again being tested here. So chances are high it will go further upside, and a probability of cross touching a level of 1983 is there. If the price sustain that level, a further high we can see. But you have to understand, market is uncertain, and there are economic events also happens. Okay, and a breakout happens, so that is where a market moves with a volatile range. So when the market is volatile, what you have to understand, always try to set your SL, so that if you are trading on the wrong side, your SL will save your capital, and if you are trailing your SL, that will save your profit. These two things will happen. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it will move further down towards $1923.20, that is next support, and if that level goes further low, then we can see it will go towards a level of around $1917.40. Okay, and once the price fall below $1917.40, a probability of moving further low we can see, and it will go towards a level of around $1902, and that is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will go further low, and then it will move below a level of 1900, and chances of going towards a level of around 1888 is there. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started falling below a level of around $19-15, chances are very high it will go further low. Okay, and then it will go towards $1903 to a level of 1895, and then it will cross a level of around 1884. Then we can see it will go towards a level of $1871. If the price fall below 1871, then we can see it will go towards a level of 1885, 1855, and then further. Keep that in mind. 1871 plays an important role. If the price fall below this level, chances of going further low we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.